Chapter 20. Life in the Coastal Plains and Islands. We will learn Coastal Plains, Western Coastal Plains, Eastern Coastal Plains, Islands. Coastal Plains. The states in peninsular India comprise of plateau as well as coastal plains. The states with larger part of plateau have been studied in the previous lesson. In this chapter, we shall study the states and union territories which are mostly plains. The coastal plains in peninsular India are narrow strips of plain land which have been formed by the rivers. They are all along the sea coast. We can divide them into two, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains are located along the Arabian Sea and the eastern coastal plains are located along the Bay of Bengal. The former are narrower than the latter. The states and union territories falling under the western coastal plains include Gujarat, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Goa and Kerala, while those under the eastern coastal plains include Puducherry. Western coastal plains. Gujarat. Gujarat is located along the Arabian Sea. Its Saurashtra region is the widest area in coastal plains. The important rivers here are the Narmada, Tapti and Sabarmati. Rainfall is limited. The climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. There is black soil in Gujarat, which is favorable to the crop of cotton. Other important crops are sugarcane, groundnut, rice, maize, millets. Dairy farming is practiced on a large scale. Anand is famous for dairy products. Fishing is also an important occupation in the coastal plains. The important industries here are diamond cutting, glass, cotton textile, machine parts, etc. Trading is the occupation of a large number of people. There are dense forests here, the Gir being famous for the Asiatic lion. Natural gas and petroleum are explored in the coastal area. The important cities include Vadodara, Surat, Ahmedabad, etc. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad and Vadodara are famous industrial towns. Kandla is a seaport. The towns of tourist interest are Ahmedabad, Sabarmati Ashram and Jama Masjid, Porbandar, Dwarka, Somnath, etc. There is a wild ass sanctuary at Kutch. People speak Gujarati, Hindi and other languages are also spoken. Men wear dhoti, kurta, Gandhi cap, while women wear ghagra choli. The famous dishes are dhokla, bhakri and shrikhand. Garba is a popular dance form. The chief festival celebrated here is Navratri, though all other festivals are also celebrated with fanfare. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is a small union territory between the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Its capital is Daman. Dadra and Nagar Haveli was liberated from the Portuguese in 1954, while Daman and Diu in 1961. Most of the people here are tribal and their chief occupation is farming. The chief crops are wheat, millets, ragi, rice, pulses, etc. Some small-scale industries in toys, ready-made garments, wooden furniture, paperboard boxes, and rubber components are located here. People speak Gujarati, English, Marathi, and Hindi. Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. It was liberated from the Portuguese in 1961. It became a state in 1987. Panaji is its capital. This is a beautiful state with forests and beaches and is a center of attraction for a large number of tourists. The chief crops grown here are rice, pulses, ragi, groundnut, maize and millets. The important cash crops are sugarcane, coconut, cashew nut, areca nut and fruits like pineapple, mango and banana. The important minerals found here include iron ore, manganese, bauxite and silica sand. The important small-scale industries here are bakeries, printing presses, sawmills, tire factories, packaged foods, carbon paper, automobile industries, polythene, etc. The people are very fond of music and dance. They speak Konkani, English and Marathi. Christmas is the chief festival here. Kerala. Kerala is located on the Malabar coast. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. The area is mostly plains and some hills of the Nilgiris. It receives a heavy rainfall and the climate is moderate. Farming and fishing are the important occupations. The chief crops are rice, tea, coffee, cardamom, rubber and other spices. Coconut is an important crop, so coir industry has flourished here. The lagoons or backwaters along the seacoast are very useful for transportation by boats, fishing and boat races. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. The people speak Malayalam, though other South Indian languages and English are also used. Men wear lungi shirt and women wear sari. Rice and fish is the staple diet, while coconut is used aplenty. Onam is the most important festival on which boat races are held. Kathakali, a classical dance form, is popular here. The important cities of Kerala include Alve, Ernakulam, Kozhikode and Trichur. Calicut and Kochi are major seaports. Eastern coastal plains. Puducherry. Puducherry is a union territory. It was under the French occupation and was transferred to India in 1954. It comprises of 4 districts and its capital is Puducherry. People chiefly speak French, Tamil and English. Agriculture is the chief occupation. The chief crops are rice, millets, pulses and ragi are grown. Other cash crops include sugarcane, groundnut and cotton. The important industries are textile mills, sugar mills, tile factories and distilleries. The Aurobindo Ashram in Puducherry is world famous. Islands. There are 2 island groups in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are located in the Bay of Bengal at a distance of 1,255 km from Kolkata. These are a group of over 300 small islands, out of which only 37 are inhabited. They form a union territory with the capital at Port Blair. The southernmost point of India, Indira Point, is located in this group. The cellular jail in Port Blair was used by the British to house the Indian freedom fighters. The chief crops here are rice, maize, coconut, pineapple, rubber and papaya. People speak many languages such as Hindi, English, Bengali and Tamil. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep is a group of 36 coral islands located 280 to 400 km off the Kerala coast in the Arabian Sea. Out of a total of 36, only 10 are inhabited. The capital is Kavaratti. Dairy farming, poultry farming and fishing are chief occupations. The only major crop here is coconut, so cottage industries related to coconut are present here. Knowledge window. The Indian freedom fighters used to term the cellular jail as Kala Pani because of the harsh living conditions. New terms. Coir industry. Ropes, mats, curtains and other materials made from coconut tree. Moderate. Neither hot nor cold. Literacy. Ability to read and write. Coral island. An island formed from coral, a hard substance which is formed from the bones of very small creatures. Points to remember. Coastal plains can be divided into western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Saurashtra in Gujarat is the widest coastal plain area in peninsular India. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is small union territories. Goa is famous for its beaches and forests. Lagoons in Kerala are used for boat races and transportation. Puducherry is a small union territory along the Bay of Bengal. Many of the islands are uninhabited.